Hello, my friend. I have here an amazing toy. It is called Protector Pet by Password Journal. So it's actually protecting your stuff. It's a motion sensor alarm and barks and lights up. So here is this beautiful toy. It's pink, white, and black. Very girly like.
So we have one protector pad and right here a leash hanger. First, taking out of the package, this protector pad will be in the try mode. To reset the protector pad, you have to press the reset button that exits the mode try me mode. So this way, if you reset the protector pad, you can start using your motion alarm. So we can press the ears and see how this reacts. You have one black ear and one pink ear. Even one will do the same thing.
Puppy barks and lights up when moved. This is the noise that he's making.
Setting the security code, you have to press and hold down the right ear, the pink one, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So the bark means that this is ready. So you can enter your personal security code by pressing the left and right ear in any combination you wish for up to 3 presses. For example, left, right, left. So let's see. Okay, so this is the reset button. Okay, this means that we can reset. So now pink, black, pink. Once the code is entered, you have to press both ears at the same time, and the puppy will bark to let you know that the code has been set. Let's see. Okay. If ears are not pressed within 10 seconds from when you activated the code setting mode, the puppy will go to sleep. And also, to reset your security code, press the reset button that's on the puppy's belly. This right here, that's the reset button. And then reset it with the new code. Also, if you do not set the personal security code, the default code will be 3 presses of the right ear. So it'll be right, right, right. So it'll be pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink, pink. Well, we already set it, so it's not going to bark. Arming the motion alarm. You can place your puppy on the object that you wish to protect, like I did right here on my stuff. Or use the leash to hang it from an object, or even the door handle. Now you can press and hold the puppy's left ear, the black one, for 3 seconds. So let's see, left. 1, 2, 3. The puppy already barked, so this means that now your stuff are guarded, so your puppy is in guard. You have to wait about 5 seconds before begin sensing motion. Therefore, any kind of sudden movement will trigger the puppy's alarm. For example, like opening the door, or let's see, lift the diary, or any other object like the object that I have here. Also, you have to keep in mind that, of course, the motion alarm might not detect the very smallest movements or gradual changes in position. So, when the alarm has been triggered, the puppy will begin growling, followed by a series of barking. In case if you're not present, when the alarm is triggered, once the puppy is done barking, it will flash slowly to let you know it had been set off in your absence. To turn off the alarm, enter your security code by pressing the puppy's ears in the correct order. Let's say if you haven't set the code, then it'll be right. When you have entered the correct security code, the puppy will pant to show it recognizes you and it's happy. And if you need to turn off the alarm and can't remember the code, press the reset button.